Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you metal stairs. What is the simple definition of stairs? A series of steps or flights of steps for passing from one level to another, often used in plural. Ran down the stairs. 2. One step of a stairway. What is called stair, a stair, or a stair step? Is one step in a flight of stairs, in buildings? Stairs is a term applied to a complete flight of steps between two floors. A stair flight is a run of stairs or steps between landings. What is the use of stairs? Providing access. Stairs provide safe and convenient access to upper floors, basements, attics, and rooftops. Space optimization. Stairs are an excellent way to optimize vertical space in a building. They require less space than a ramp or elevator and can be incorporated. The most common types of stairs are straight stairs, circular stairs, spiral stairs, switchback stairs, winder stairs, split stairs, and stairs with intermediate landings. How many steps define a stair? Starcast dimensiers. A typical flight of stairs has 13 to 16 steps. The average length vertical height of a flight is 8.5 to 11 feet. Your local building codes impact the number of steps and other dimensions. Work with an architect or stair builder for the best D. Why are they called stairs? The word stairs is a shortened version of stairwell. When somebody refers to stairs, he is speaking of a stairwell or a collection of steps that leads upward or downward. Stairs may refer to an entire collection of steps in a building, or they can simply refer to AC. What is a stair part called? Most people are aware of some stair parts names, such as the tread, riser, landing, and handrail. But unless you are an architect or builder, you may not be familiar with staircase terminology such as baluster, stringer, volute, bullnose or newel post.